Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive straight into using teamwork.com for efficient crisis communication. First off, sign into your teamwork.com account. If you're new, setting up an account is a breeze. Simply click on sign up, follow the prompts, and you'll be good to go. This is important because having an account grants you access to the platform's powerful communication and collaboration features. Next up, you'll want to create a project. Click on Add Project, fill in the project details, and hit Save. This project will be the central hub where all crisis-related communication and tasks will be managed. It's crucial to keep things organized, especially during crises. Now that we've done that, add team members to the project. Navigate to the People tab, click Add People, and input their email addresses. The reason we do this is to ensure all critical team members are looped into the crisis communication feed, which fosters transparency and swift decision-making. After you've added your team, it's time to start communicating. Click on the Messages tab and create a new message. In this message, you can brief your team on the crisis, assign tasks, and share pertinent information. This step is essential because it sets the tone and context for your crisis management efforts. Remember, clear and frequent communication is key during a crisis. Lastly, monitor and manage tasks using the Tasks tab. Here, you can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. This helps us because it gives us a clear overview of what's being done, by whom, and when. It's a fantastic way to stay organized and keep everyone on track during a crisis. And there you have it. That's the quick guide to using teamwork.com for crisis communication. As you've seen, it's a powerful tool that can help your team navigate through crises efficiently and effectively. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay productive.